On this episode of Grassroots Garage, we have Victor's 1964 Chevy Bel Air, aka 64 Tank.
Welcome to Grassroots Garage. I found Victor and his beautiful Chevy Bel Air. Victor, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Mate, tell us about your car.
Well, 64 Bel Air, and I picked that up in a paddock.
Nice, I love that.
About 8 years ago.
So you've taken it from nothing to what it is today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that a lot of that through Ben's shop or bits and pieces everywhere?
Yeah. Well, I work there. I'm the manager there.
Oh, rock and roll. There you go.
So, and
that helps.
So yeah, did all that from. It was only going to be a tidy up.
Yeah. I think Ben said the exact same thing in his app. It started off as just going to be a tidy up.
So this is it's a 350.
Yes.
Heads, cam, pistons, everything's been done to it.
Yeah.
Turbo 700. 2.5 store converter, and the rear end's all been done up. So
nice. Yeah. Aftermarket radiator.
Yeah.
Is this exposed chassis rails? Is that a factory thing, or have you chopped something out?
It is a factory thing.
Okay.
We've just moved it off a bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Smoothed it off a bit, cleaned it all up and everything, and yeah.
Beautiful. Very nice. Very clean, isn't it? Very nice. So when you first went for the tidy up, what was the plan? Just a cruiser?
Just a nice cruiser.
Yeah.
But nothing gets left normal.
No, it's the way, isn't it? Especially when you work in a workshop like that. They've got the Bel Air. Oh wow! Look at that. Geez, you could still fit a set of golf clubs. So that's subwoofer in there. What's in the stereo?
Yeah, it's got two 12-inch subwoofers, speakers up there.
Yep.
It's got storage compartments on the side.
Yep. Do you end up listening to a lot of music, or are you usually listening to the engine?
Oh, a bit of everything.
Bit of everything. Yeah. After a while, if you've been driving for an hour or two, you sort of put some tunes on. Yeah. So this interior was done in house. Is this one of the Zelukovic jobs? Yeah. Awesome.
Street trim.
Street trim.
Did
Okay.
that with Daryl as well. Did all the parcel shelf. He's a worker there as well.
Oh yeah, nice.
Stereo guy and all that, and boot.
Yeah.
You know. So, yeah.
Beautiful. So you've upgraded the brakes as well?
Yeah. I'm running VE brakes on the front.
Yep.
I've got Corvette's disc on the rear as well.
Yeah, like VE, like an SS VE?
Yeah,
it would be?
VE
Yeah,
SS.
nice, yeah. It's nice, it's a nice, you can get parts for it for the next 30 years, it's sort of. And Corvette you said on the rear?
Yeah, it's Corvette disc
Cool.
set up in the rear.
What are these wheels?
I think they're all Speedy.
Speedy. Okay.
Yeah. They came with the car.
Yeah, nice.
So I've left it on, and everybody said that they suit it, so we just ran with it.
Beautiful. All right. Feel like you're working on a Sunday, does it? Down the workshop?
So that or towing.
Yeah. let's go right back to the start. Give us some car history. Tell us about your first car.
First car, which I had a Gemini.
Yes, nice.
TE Gemini.
TE Gemini, what colour?
It was a green colour.
Yeah.
I was a apprentice spray painter.
Yeah.
So yeah, I ended up just cleaning it all up, painting it. Those days were 6x9 speakers and some mag wheels, and yeah,
good to go.
just cruising around.
Yeah, you're Orange local?
Sydney local.
Sydney local, nice. Yeah. What part of Sydney?
On the north side.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah. Yep.
So yeah, moved up here about 11 years ago.
Beautiful, nice little tree change.
Yeah.
Yeah, love that. Some highlights. So you had this little green Gemini. Give us some highlights along the way from there.
Yeah, little Gemini, did it all up. Used to just cruise the streets, lowered and all that. That was a scene those days, and yeah, from then on, and yeah, I just upgraded a bit. Got a V8.
Yes.
After that, got a HQ Monaro.
Nice.
I was a second-year apprentice. Yeah, bought that off actually a insurance assessor that he needed the money, and it was cheap those days. So from then on, yeah.
V8s.
V8, and I got the V8 bug.
Yes, very nice, very nice. All right, I give you unlimited budget. Do whatever you want. What does this look like?
Oh, yeah, blower hanging out.
Yeah.
Tub it.
Nice. Yeah.
I don't know. It all depends. I don't know. Just the mind just goes crazy,
doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So like a still a street car, or would you go drag? Where would you take it?
Oh, bit of both, I think.
Of both,
of a mixture.
Yeah, nice. Love that.
But yeah, I'd like to put a blower on it and all that.
Yeah, one like hanging.
Yeah, just hanging out with a big hat on it, ugly hat or something. I don't know.
Nice, very nice. All right, so I think this is the most telling question of all. I'll give you an unlimited budget. You got the Bel Air sitting there, big blower, tubbed, super tough street car. What else is parked next to it?
A Bandit.
A Bandit, yeah, nice. Yeah.
Yeah, I've got something about Bandits.
Okay.
I don't know, I just like it.
Yeah.
So one day, hopefully.
Yeah, definitely. I think
Targa roof and different.
Yeah, definitely. I think a lot of people have a thing for the Bandits.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah. Right-hand drive?
Yeah, right-hand drive if I can get one. Yeah. But yeah, I'd probably do it up to a bit, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Make it sound tough.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah, tough has on it. So that's it for this beautiful Bel Air. Victor, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Of course, these cars don't get built without the help of great mates. Victor would just like to say thanks to Ben Zelukovic, John Zelukovic, Andrew Lynch, Beck Lynch, Daryl Harrington, Wayne from Street Trim, and of course everyone else who was involved in getting this car built.
That wraps up this episode, and as always, if you like what we're doing here at the Grassroots Garage Project, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to all of our socials. There's plenty more on the way, so thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.